Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on NFC on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your application library. You need to swipe to the left until you see all your applications and then click on the app library bar at the top of your screen, and then here you need to type shortcuts and then click on this application shortcuts. So then you will see this interface. At the bottom of the screen you need to click on the automation button right up here, and then you need to click on the new automation button. Then you will see different options. You can scroll down and find this option, but you can also click on the search bar and type NFC. Here it is. Then you need to click on the scan button next to NFC tag, and then you will see this window ready to scan, and then hold your device near the NFC tag. That means that you should put your device next to NFC tag, and then NFC will be activated. So, and that's all, and that's how to turn on NFC on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.